guys, so for this next video I'm going to show you how to remove your diffuser on the bottom. You will have to remove your bumper for this process, so see my previous video which is in the description right now if you want to check that out to remove your rear bumper. I'm going to show you how to remove this, and I'm also going to show you how to remove the metal triangle in the middle. So let's get started. First off, you've got some parts just here which are just pushed through. You push it through with literally a screwdriver piece that pops through on the other end, and then on this other side it's really dirty in here. That will then release this here. It will also release the one on this side as well, and then you've got these little lips here. I believe there's 16 of them. So just like we did on the bumper, we're going to push them and release them one by one, slowly, slowly and slowly. Okay, and then the last piece you want to do is this piece here where we took the bumper off, the plate off to get to the bolts underneath. So you push that one through again. That will release this one here excuse me, which will then allow it to be pulled away. So I'm going to get straight onto it. Okay, so once that's pushed through, you literally pull this out, look, like this. That squeezes. And pushes through on the other end, just like that. So I'm going to do that for them all. I'm not going to show you anymore because one's enough, and I'll see you in the next bit. Okay, so once you've done that bit, we're going to push these clips through and start at one end, as you can see. And literally work your way across. Alright, so those of you that are wondering what it looks like without a diffuser, here it is. You can see all underneath here, and it actually doesn't look too bad for a track car. You could probably get a bigger exhaust on that. Maybe angle it or something, you know, there's definitely opportunities there, so that's for you guys that are curious about that. Alright, so this final bit, I'm going to show you how to remove this triangle, the metal piece. It's like a heat protection, it goes all inside. You can clean this up, which I think I am going to do, maybe not today, just because I've got a lot to do. But to get this on, I'm not going to show you how I get it off, I'm just going to show you the finished thing because it's exactly the same as what I've just shown you. And I don't want to be repeating it. So you've got 1, 2, 3, push them through, take them out. The one that you removed on the number plate is the one just here. That is also part of it, which also connects to the bumper. Okay, so as you can see, I've took mine off, all this gravel and everything here. I'm going to clean that up, but this does come off further, so don't panic. You've got another T20 here, T20 here, and a T20 here. Again, I'm not going to show you. It's just undoing some bolts, you know. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so there we have it. I've removed it just here, big piece of metal. So what you could do is you could spray this outline, you could wrap that outline, whatever you want to do with it. It's something, you know, just to tidy up your colour of your car. Mine's just got a bit of wear and tear. There's not really much else to say on that. To put it back on, it's just reverse the process and then put your bumper back on. So yeah, extremely simple. These videos help a lot of people, so that's why I like to do them, so people can see them and know how to do it themselves. Right guys, so I just got finished doing the diffuser. I just wanted to add on that as well. To get these plastic rivets in, you just literally push the hard casing back in, and then you put the pin back through this end and just get a good push with your screwdriver or a bit of force just to push it back in. You can switch the single exit triangle to a Nürburgring diffuser, so if you want to switch your exhaust system even though you haven't got a Nürburgring, you can do that. So it's a direct fit. Just follow the process I've done and reconnect it all back up. And yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.